7 steps to fix, reinstall, and reapply a hair system. Step 1. Spray adhesive remover and gently remove. Step 2. Clean scalp X2 with dual action shampoo. Step 4. Wash system with shampoo. Step 5. Remove glue with paper towel after lifting. Step 6. Deep cleanse with leave-in conditioner. Step 7. Prep for fixation. Apply sweat barrier.